Hi everyone, welcome back once again to OSENT video VIH group. So today we have a very interesting video. So usually what happens whenever you surf out the dark web. So first of all, this video is for education purpose only. That's what we think of to tell. So the question is whenever we try to surf the dark web for investigation purpose or for threat intelligence, whenever we want. So the main problem is we are getting dead links, right? So whenever we are searching on Tor browser, okay, so we are getting the dead links, okay, which is not working. So usually this take a lot of time. Okay, while the searching on the dead links, okay, clicking on dead links, it just goes along the proxy and it take a lot of time. So what to do now? How to solve this problem? So for that, there is a very interesting website, okay, which is going to give you a link, which is going to help you. The website is Delhi Web darkwebdelhi.live. So again, this is for educational purpose only. Okay, I'm just sharing with you to so that you can learn more things. Okay. So for the illegal stuffs only. So guys, this website is darkwebdaily.live. Okay, and this is basically the channel that they are having. Okay, this is a LinkedIn profile of the person those who have created. Okay, so let's connect. So that's the thing. So guys, usually what happens if you want to surf out a link like for marketplaces, you can go ahead with here. Okay, there's a lot of onion links. So this is not going to open because this is not a Tor browser. It requires some proxy. Okay, so I'm just showing you this is the dead link. Okay, so the main thing about this website is they are just coming up with the daily updates. A lot of time the things is getting updated, as you can see here 2025-37, because it was updated today at 7:22 a.m. UTC, which is the time of somewhere else. Okay, so they are updating a link a lot. Okay, if you want to filter out for the markets, you can look out here. If you want to filter out for the forums, you can look here. For security, just go a little more down. Object blocks highly recommended. Okay, tools, if you want to get to know about the tools which is you onions here and search. Okay, communications, news, and crypto. So there's a lot of things you can do using this website. I do not have to tell you all those things. Okay, so just have research to get out the best onion links for your research purpose only. Okay, explore the things. Just let me know in the comment how you look like and what type of content you want in OSINT series. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day. Jai Hind.